Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave.com YouTube channel. This is Henry and I'm updating the long-term outlook of Newmont. This is one of the bigger miners here. Monthly time frame, guys, we can see it just recently made new all-time high in February this year. So we ended with one here grand super cycle with two completed here. And then we are now starting what could be a nest 1 2 1 2 and then another 1 2 coming. Now there are a couple of different possibilities there, no doubt. If you want to be less aggressive, for example, you could have called this peak, or whenever it finished this 5 ways up here, as a wave 3. I think that's the less aggressive view. Now that doesn't mean it is not bullish. It's still very bullish, but it's just a little bit more less aggressive. If we take a look at the extension so far, we have not reached the 1.618 extension. So there is a chance we do one more like up, and again if we do reach 1.618 instead of 1 2 1 2 1 2, yeah, it's possible that this is 3. If this is 3, then you just simply upgrade this label, this degree here, into 1 2 3 4 5 and finish 3 here. Now finishing 3 here really doesn't really change anything. Still you're gonna get a 4 in red and higher again anyway, and then ending 5 in red, ending 3 in blue, and then 4 in blue, higher again, right? So you're gonna get more upside no matter how you want to count this or label this. Now this is the more sort of aggressive view, and the less aggressive view, like I said, is gonna call this as a wave 3, okay, in the cycle degree here. Now if I go down to the daily time frame now, okay, the question is whether this pullback here is complete. This is the same pullback you saw during the news of the war breakout in Iran, and then you see all major indices correcting, right? They all bottom around March 23rd, March 30th, right? That's basically the bottom in all the indices as well. Now you notice here, since we did bottom here, the rally here definitely looks impulsive, right? It is impulsive here. So this is actually favoring more upside because this one looks impulsive. And then now we are kind of about to break above the previous peak again now, right? Now in the very short term, very short term, like the 4 hour, 1 hour, yes, it is possible to do something like this first before going up. But I think generally, since the rally from the 4 here is kind of looking impulsive from 94, I tend to think that we shouldn't, or we won't break below this one again, 94 here, to do a much bigger, what we call double correction like this. Technically, the possibility is open until it breaks above this previous peak, but I think it's less likely to happen because this rally is an impulse, okay? But in the shorter cycle, I mean, if it does something like this, then yeah, it is possible in the shorter cycle before going up again. So either we just go up from where we are more or less against this wave 2 and continue higher, or we do another leg down to do a double in the wave 2 before higher again as the more likely scenario, instead of breaking below the low in the March again. Okay, so that's basically the idea. This one was clearly corrective, 3 ways down only, and rally. That tells you the market still remains bullish. Otherwise, it would have been a 5 ways impulse from the peak. Otherwise, right? So no doubt what the right side is, which is bullish. So we don't like selling, and we do continue to like the long side as a result in any kind of pullback in 3711. So that's the update for today, guys. As always, we don't cover Newmont in our service. Again, from time to time, we're going to be looking at specific stock or specific other indices that we don't cover. But if you do want to see what we cover and also receive Elliott Wave update for that, please feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day, everyone.